Bringing your car to a local shop for service is not always cheaper or convenient. Whether you need transmission work, scheduled maintenance, brake repair. When you bring your vehicle to Allen GMC, you're sure to receive prompt and courteous service from a GMC certified staff dedicated to quality for our customers. We strive to get all of your maintenance and repairs done right the first time. Visit us at www.allengmc.com. While you're there, get information about our complimentary loaner service. Find out about our internet specials. Print out money-saving service coupons. And when you go to a certified dealer for service, your vehicle's warranty stays intact. Call, click, or come in for more information. Allen GMC is located at 28332 Camino Capistrano in Laguna Niguel, California.